Hi everyone, Jesty here from GNAT iTech, bringing you the latest updates from the education sector in Ghana. Today, we're focusing on the ongoing concerns and negotiations between the Ghana National Association of Teachers, or GNAT, and the government regarding teachers' conditions of service. Let's dive into the details. Recently, the Ghana National Association of Teachers has urged its members to remain calm amidst rising tensions over delays in finalizing their conditions of service agreements with the government. Despite efforts from the government to address various issues, there are still unresolved concerns, particularly around allowances and other benefits. In an interview with City News, GNAT General Secretary Thomas Musa expressed optimism about the ongoing negotiations. He assured teachers that progress is being made and that an agreement is expected soon. We want to assure them that the negotiations are ongoing. We are still engaging the government. It has not broken down yet, so we want them to be reassured that we are working around the clock together with the government to ensure that the agreement is concluded as soon as possible. Teachers have issued several ultimatums and staged numerous protests across the country, pressing the government to address their demands for allowances. GNAT, along with the National Association of Graduate Teachers, NAGRAT, and the Coalition of Concerned Teachers, CCT, have been leading these efforts. While acknowledging some progress, GNAT continues to urge the government to be more proactive in addressing their concerns. When the whole thing started from the Labor Commission, we had 6 items. 3 were addressed instantly. The OSP matter was addressed, and the scheme of service matter was also addressed because they were told to provide us with the scheme of service by April. From there, other changes have been made. It's clear that while steps have been taken to address some of the issues, there are still significant matters to be resolved. GNAT remains committed to working with the government to ensure that all teachers' concerns are addressed promptly and fairly. So, for all the teachers out there, GNAT urges you to remain calm and patient as negotiations continue. Progress is being made, and there's hope for a positive resolution soon. That's all for today's update. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from GNAT iTech. Stay informed, and stay safe. This is Jesty, signing off. See you next time.